Okay, so welcome to another unboxing video. Today's unboxing will be a motherboard, and let's take a look inside the box. Okay, we got some bubble plastic just to protect the product which is inside, and it's gonna be good to have. We are going to unbox the P5KPL AMSE motherboard, which is a pretty long name, and they've actually changed the nickname, the status, or whatever you call it. Before it stands rock solid, hard touching. Now it stands inspiring innovation. Press whatever, you can read it there. Okay, so it supports Core 2 Extreme, Core 2 Quad, Windows 7 ready, and yeah, DDR2 1066 and overclocking. So wow, overclocking on this board. That's great. Okay, so let's get to the inside. Okay, so we got really thin user's manual with a CD without case badge. Wow, without case badge. We got quick start guide, which is in 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13 languages. We got an I/O plate, an ordinary I/O plate. We got a IV cable. Why they include that? And we got a couple of normal serial ATA cable with no band, because this is such a simple motherboard. And we got the protector here, and we got a tiny cute little motherboard in here. Holy man, that is cute and small. That's so cute, man. Take a look at that. That is so small. Has a little heatsink here to cool down the north bridge, with I guess it's the onboard graphics. South bridge cooler as well. Take a look at that. And we got yeah, speaker here. Front panel connector are actually over here, so that will be a challenge for the case I'm installing it in. 2 DDR2 RAM slots. These I guess is dual channel memory. We got 24 pin here and 8 and a 4 pin here. 8 pin. Wow, this came with 8 pin. I begin to wonder. We got the normal LGA 775 socket on here with a 4 pin CPU fan header. It does not have more. Okay, so that's another optional 3 pin fan header over here, and that's it. This is such a simple motherboard. It's made to run a really simple computer, like not high-end gaming. But take a look at this. It has a PCI Express X16 line, so you can put in, if you're crazy, 5970 in here if you want that. And yeah, battery here, and we got the front audio, USB, and take a look at this. Only 2 serial ATA connectors. Great. 2 serial ATA connectors. You don't see that very often on this new motherboard. And it's so tiny. Take a look at my hand. And take a look at this A4 paper. This size is A4. It's so small. So that was that unboxing video, guys. Thank you for checking it out, and more to come.